Former Indian cricketer Virendra Sehwag has condemned Pakistan for supporting terrorism, warning of strong action from Indian forces. Tensions are rising after drone attacks on Jammu. Sehwag emphasized that Pakistan's aggression will lead to a response they will never forget. The Indian Premier League has been suspended indefinitely due to escalating tensions between India and Pakistan. Reports suggest the Asia Cup may also be cancelled this year, with remaining IPL matches now potentially rescheduled for September. Sai Kishore, the Tamil Nadu spinner, has excelled in IPL 2025, taking 14 wickets in 11 matches for the Gujarat Titans. He praised captain Shubman Gill and coach Ashish Nehra for their support, noting their strategic guidance has been crucial for his performance. Former India cricketer Virendra Sehwag advises Lucknow Super Giants captain Rishabh Pant to consult a cricket mentor amidst his poor IPL performance. Pant struggles, with only 128 runs in 11 innings, could jeopardize his position in the team ahead of the England tour. Virat Kohli shines in IPL 2025, scoring 505 runs with 7 50s. As RCB eyes the playoffs, experts warn that his early dismissal could spell trouble. With 16 points, RCB stands second, just one win away from securing a playoff spot. The IPL has been suspended due to the escalating conflict between India and Pakistan, according to Aaj Tak sports editor Vikrant Gupta. The BCCI has yet to confirm. The match between Punjab Kings and Delhi Capitals was also cancelled over security concerns. The Indian Premier League 2025 has been suspended due to escalating tensions between India and Pakistan, following the cancellation of the Punjab Kings vs. Delhi Capitals match. BCCI plans to relocate players and will announce further decisions after consulting with stakeholders. Yashasvi Jaiswal has reversed his earlier decision and is now set to play for Mumbai in domestic cricket. After requesting a no objection certificate to shift to Goa, he has withdrawn that request, confirming his availability for the upcoming season. In light of ongoing tensions with Pakistan, Indian ODI captain Rohit Sharma has called on citizens to avoid spreading fake news. He praised the Indian Armed Forces for their dedication and urged everyone to stay safe and responsible online. Rohit Sharma's Test career has been a roller coaster, starting with a century on debut but plagued by inconsistency. Since 2019 he has transformed into India's leading opener, accumulating the most Test hundreds. Today, we celebrate his journey of grit and resilience in Test cricket.